brakes out a little bit. There we go. That is pretty steep. Slowly down. There we go. A little bit on the brakes. I must say the 538 controls it so well. You're out of breath running up there. It's been a while since I've done stuff like this. Alright. Looks like we're getting to a big climb there. People tend to hang around a little bit there by the looks of it. This is called Nightmare Creek. So just a little bit of very loose sand here, and then a big tree root you got to climb up. So you come down, this is almost like a little figure 8. You start down there and then come out here. This might be a little bit slipperier. They call it Nightmare Canyon, Kirk Hill. So this is the bypass chicken track running through there, so you can just come down there and then chicken track out here. But let's see if we can get up here. I'm sure we should be able to. Let's have a look. So this as well, this is pretty loose and steep. Now let's see, should be able to get up. Whew. Let's just exercise this. And then looks like it goes around back here again. So let's see, get up here. Gunshot Creek. Ooh. This might be very stupid or not. Right, rear locker on, first gear low. Let's see if she wants to get out of here. Hope it's not too boggy. So that's Gunshot Creek. It's no, I don't think it's possible today. I've tried, but no, look at the tires are completely muggy, and yeah, it's not. I'm not going to be. I get the front up nicely, but just can't get traction after that. So hey, I'm not going to be stupid. I'm all alone. I don't have a winch, and got some cake tires there. It's going to need a wash. And here the exhaust was. Shit. I mean, look at that. Yeah, so hey, let's see. Not a bad little obstacle this. Just don't want to break anything at the moment. So let's carry on. Jeez, so that's pretty much it. The track. There's an option you can do as well. I just want to find out how that works because sure, that was quick. I mean, I've pretty much tried every single obstacle, didn't chicken out on anything. But yeah, that's ridiculous. It's done. Find out what the options like. I would like to go to that Shonweni lookout. I see it's just across the road. That looks pretty neat there.
Down there, there's another track down there, you know that?
Yeah, how do I get there?
Sorry?
How do I get there?
We're gonna
Yeah?
there.
Yeah?
I think we're gonna see the another one's going also.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, perfect, thank you.
Silver car.
Oh, are they?
Sure.
So what, I just crossed that bridge there?
Yeah, I'm gonna cross the bridge. You see this car? On top there.
Where?
Where on top there is a straight road, yeah.
Yeah?
You pass the bridge, né?
Yeah?
Go straight,
Yeah.
turn left.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then I go in the small little road?
Yeah, the small road, yes, yeah.
Next to the road?
Yes, yes,
Alright.
yes.
What is it now? This bridge? Is it this one now? Water very closed, through to private property, no dumping. Water very closed. Cross the bridge. I think I crossed the bridge here. Or do I go down here? As you exit the driving range and drive onto the tar, continue over the M13 bridge, halfway up the hill. Okay, halfway up the hill. Halfway up the hill towards Plantation Estate. You will see a road on the left side, Hillcrest Waste Treatment. Hillcrest Waste Treatment. So then from there, halfway up the hill. Hillcrest Waste Treatment, so I'll take it, this is the road. And you're going to turn down there, 1.4k. Oh, here we go. Waste treatment. And we go down here. Oh, here we go. Clifton Canyon. So for those who don't know, so this is the track then after you've done. but I must say that 538 gears makes a hell of a difference. Just so much control on the climb, and just, yeah, I took a little bit of a wrong line the first time, got stuck on a rock, and then the second time she just climbed out like there's no tomorrow. So I deserve a steri stumpy. So I think there's a couple of obstacles left, and yeah, then I'm going to start making my way back out. I think my petrol is running low, so yeah. Alright, let's get lost. That was for you, boy. Alright, I don't know what's left. I'm gonna make my way home now. I think I've played around enough. Testing out the gearing. Seems to be alright. So I think I've had a... Oh, this is where I came up. Alright, so I might as well go down here, yeah. Might as well go down here, and then I know where to go. Let's go down here, and then, ooh, steep. And then I've got an idea where I need to go. I think I'm going the right way. Alright, so it's a little bit of a steep climb out here. Everything feels alright. Oh, slits down a little bit there. Oh shit, there's a bit of a massive fallout right there. Alright, I think this is on the way out. Alright, so that was pretty fun. I think this side is much better than the other side. I mean, this is a pretty fun side here. You can really, you know, give yourself a test. I don't think you're going to break anything unless you're being really stupid. If you see if the car's not able to do it, don't now go and try and be silly. Let's go back to two-wheel drive, sway bar off. Let's just drive so that connect again. Let's get a level patch. But like I was saying, I don't think you're gonna... Oh, there's a level there. No. Come on. Connect where? There she goes. Alright, so I don't think you're going to hurt anything. I'm sure I didn't damage anything, hopefully. But it's fun. I enjoyed this side quite a lot. That side, it's a bit of wombat holes. There's that one gunshot area which was really difficult. I don't think anybody, unless you really punch it or take a massive chance, you're going to get out of there. It's impossible. It's too steep, it's too muddy, and yeah, you can't generate enough momentum to climb out, and I don't really want to damage anything. Impressed with the way the car performed. I must say the 538, you've got so much control. It's a little bit deep for these tyres. I think that the crawl ratio, the crawl on it is very slow, especially first gear low range going down a hill. It hardly moves. You've got to almost help it on. So I'm happy with it, but then again, I don't know if I want to go 35s. This car doesn't have a lot of power as is, so I might need to just try it and see what it's like, and then I can always go back to a 33.5 if I need to. But it was fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So it's 500 Rand for, they call it a membership, and then you can come 3 times. I might, you know, I think if you bring a couple of mates and you come down here for a day, the track is so short and quick. I started at 12, I stopped, I filmed, I ran up and down, and it took me 2 hours. It's now 2:10. So I'm gonna head back home. First I'm gonna pump the tires up, and then I'm gonna head back home. And yeah, it was a fun day out, I think. It was enjoyable. So hope the video comes together nicely and it's watchable. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and hopefully I can be more regular with content, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Follow the journey.